can always see the name. They say they want a real one. They say they want a real one to make them feel young.
Hey yo, what's good family? Welcome back to Astro Nori for another video. So today I got like 700 worth of Supreme. I think it's all Supreme, honestly. I might add a couple pieces that I picked up here and there, but today I'm gonna show y'all a couple pieces I picked up recently. Without any further ado, man, if y'all end up enjoying this video, leave a like on it, subscribe down below. If you guys want to enter in a Supreme Band-Aid giveaway, go ahead and watch my sneaker collection, leave a like on it, and comment your Instagram. Once you send proof that you're subscribed to the channel, you will be eligible to win. I should be drawing that soon because we're actually not too far, but go ahead and click that and let's get straight into this video. So we're actually going to be starting with this piece right here. I actually finally won a giveaway. I don't know if I've ever said it, but I do enter some giveaways, and I entered this one and I actually won. Shout out to JXS Hype Soul. I entered in his giveaway and I actually ended up winning. It's pretty sick to win something when you always give something away, you know, but I do got another lock right here. I have one back there, but I do got another one now. Hey, you can never go wrong with a double up. This is super clean right here. Shout out to JXS Hype Soul. Go ahead and check him out. He be having some pretty cool stuff. Entered this giveaway and actually won. Pretty sick. Next up, we got this package right here. I actually got this from Supreme on the TNF week, and I did manage to get something else from TNF, but this is not it right here. I'm gonna go ahead and open this real quick. Got this big ass bag, 2 regular box logos, regular shit. Let's go, bruh. They sent me 2 of them. Let's get it. That's crazy. Yo, they literally sent me 2, bruh. That's lit. That's hella lit. Yo, let's get it, bruh. Obviously, you can't even order 2. They sent me 2, bruh, and I did not get charged for it. Let's go, son. Hella hyped on this right here. That's my clickbait, I guess. Yo, what? That's crazy. That's sick, bruh. I might as well go ahead and open one for y'all. Yo, they really just sent me 2 of these shits. Got this cotton candy beanie right here. Super sick. Got the little bit of purple right there with the blue, purple, pink going around it. Same thing on the other side. Tag in there, y'all already know, but yo, crazy pickup, son. Let's get it. Double up on that. Now I got both colors, and right here we got one more piece. I did manage to get the Supreme tag logo in the XL. This is for the personal. Really amped on this one. I might throw it on body so y'all can see what it looks like. It's simple, but I feel like this color right here, it actually was one of the first to sell out as well, besides that blue joint. But this one's fire right here. I'm gonna go ahead and open it for y'all as well. I'm gonna probably throw this on body so y'all can see what it looks like. This is an essential hoodie right here. Super clean. I'm not even gonna lie. I actually really am feeling this gray as well. It's like a more vibrant gray, as y'all can see. I'm gonna try it on real quick. This shit is hard, bro. I'm trying to tell y'all, like, come on, son. Super fire hoodie, bro. Not gonna lie. I'm not even going front. It's probably like an hour later right now, and I'm gonna just end up keeping the hoodie on. Shit is cozy. I love this colorway. But let's go ahead and get into this third item real quick. Right here, we got something from the TNF collab. Shout out to my homie T Donnie, because he actually hooked it up with the in-store pickup for me. Right here, we got the Supreme TNF Blanket in the yellow colorway. I'm mad excited about this because I do have a fleece blanket on my couch, and if I can use this one instead, it's lit. Like, this is more dope shit for the room. Shout out to the homie T Donnie. Go ahead and give him a follow as well. He does hella artwork. Whatever you need, honestly, art-wise, go ahead and hit bro up. But this is clean right here. I'm gonna go ahead and open it for y'all real quick. Right here, we got the little pouch that comes with it. The Supreme TNF pouch right here. I'm gonna go ahead and take that off for you guys, but we do have the Supreme TNF on the blanket right there. This is the yellow colorway, like I was saying before. Got the Supreme in-store tag right there, 148 for the retail. Right here, we do got the 2 patches. You have this pocket right here as well for you to stash your remotes or whatever you want. That's actually pretty sick, I'm not gonna lie. And here you got little TNF tags and shit like that. Then right here you have the big ARC logo. This is fire, bruh. This is so clean. This is gonna look sick in the room tour. I'm really amped about this piece right here, I'm not gonna lie. And it's so clean, bro. Like, come on. It's not that small or not that big. I'm feeling this right here, but I'm gonna definitely have to wash it before I use it. I could just feel the lint coming off of this shit. But super clean piece. Shout out to my homie T Donnie for hooking it up for the retail. This color is actually not bad. I would have rather have the red one or the blue one, but this is sick, bro. Like the TNF yellow colorway is so fire, bro. I'm feeling this right here. Good looking, bro. But let's go ahead and get into the last item that I do have for you guys from Supreme. I might show you a couple things that aren't Preem. Let's start off with this right here. We'll discuss anything further afterwards. So I'm not gonna lie, bro. I already opened the last one and y'all saw it in the thumbnail. I did get the director's chair like I said I would. I'm probably gonna put some B-roll. This is fire, bro. Like, you can't go wrong with this. I'm gonna definitely need this in the future. I plan on buying a little table for the other side of my room, and I feel like this would be perfect right there. I could possibly end up using this in another setup, so stay tuned for that. I'm gonna start using different setups in my room as well. Like, once I do my room tour, I'll be able to like go around my room and do different things, so it's gonna be pretty sick. Go ahead and stay tuned for that. It's coming real soon. Got this Supreme right there on the front, got it on the back as well. This is a pretty good quality chair. It's actually higher than what I thought it was gonna be initially. Shouts out to the homie Connor Hart _94 for this one right here. He actually hooked it up for like $260 shipped, which isn't that bad, honestly. This was a pretty clean pickup and I was really looking for it. I don't know if y'all know, but I brought it up hella times. I was actually looking for this piece right here. Glad I got it for a pretty good price. This is fire, bro. Like, come on. This is clean, bro. You can't even deny it. Like, I feel like this is gonna be so fire if I get a table and do standing up recording videos type shit. This will just be in the background with hella plushies. Like, I'm working on it, bro. I'm literally working on it. I got y'all. But that was the final Supreme piece I had for y'all today. I honestly don't know what else I'm about to pick up and show y'all. I have some stuff that I just haven't put in a video yet, so I might show y'all that. Honestly, bro, I was about to show y'all some extra shit, but I'm gonna just hold the extra stuff for another video. I have a lot of things right there and I just don't know what exactly to choose. I did cop an outfit from TJ Maxx. If y'all want to see any type of different videos, go ahead and let me know down below, because I do plan on doing different things on the channel. But if you did enjoy this one, go ahead and leave a like down below as well. Subscribe to the channel if you are new. Make sure you check out that sneaker collection if you want to enter in the Band-Aid giveaway. I'm honestly really excited to go ahead and show y'all the collection, but go ahead and check that out. The link will be in the description. Leave a like on it, comment your Instagram, make sure you are subscribed to the channel, and I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.
Never see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.